is in the space can guide you to tell you what to do and get you through the situations. Yeah, because a lot of times we're having problems and we're not saying it to nobody. Yes, but it's important that you try to discuss it. Yes, if you can manage to keep it to yourself, you can do so too if it's not affecting you. Guys, Mother's Day is coming up. Mm, Mother's Day is coming up. Yeah. What are your plans for your mother? What is it you're going to do for her? What's the treatment? I can't sit here. Yeah, cause what the seed cool. Yes. Whew. What is it you're going to do for your mom? You have any plans yet? Yeah. Yes, guys. But before we get there, we are still in April and we have I think it's Administrative Professional Day is coming up. Yes. When I'm back home. I'm sure I'm a gift certificate, I don't know what I'm getting this side, but yeah. We get a gift certificate. Sometimes we went for lunch, yeah. Sometimes we go to different speaks, seminars to hear different speakers. Hi. Everywhere you go, you see Amazon. Shoops. Yeah. Different speakers come in and tell us about self-care. They tell us how to dine. They tell us how to dress. They tell us how to take care of our environment. They tell us a lot of stuff, mental issues, everything. We go to different I call it now, sessions to listen to some great speakers. Yeah. So that is coming up. I think it's maybe the last Wednesday of every month. So if you're an admin professional, this is your month. And so far the bus reach way around this. So. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, you can run through there, so I run. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm out sitting today. Not raining, but it's cold. Yeah, remember to like, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, very important to give me some thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Comment, like. Share. Yeah. These flowers are pretty. You can now see flowers, guys, because the snow has, I believe, ended. We get snow the other day, so I'm not saying that. But majority of the snow part, I think, gone. Yeah. No tailgating in this lot. No tailgating. No tailgating in this lot.